Hello everyone, Von Marie here and welcome back to my channel. So I'm super excited because I pre-ordered Lynn's die, which she is LV handcrafted on the socials, and she collaborated with Not Too Shabby, which I love. So this is the standalone die, Easy Wonder die number 1, and I hope there's a number 2. So you get this huge die and you get to cut all these pieces out, and what's nice is you can use pattern paper, you can use plain cardstock, whatever you like. I will show you a card in just a second where I stenciled, so that is another option. What I like about this die is that I'm always needing banners for sentiments, and so I really like that you get all these different size banners. You even get this little strip here, and I like that you can make a shaker card, and I really like this long one the best too. I don't know, they're all great. You get a square, so you get all the necessities here. And it did sell out, but you can pre-order this die, I believe, and I will link that down below if you can. So let me show you what I made so far. So here is the first card I made, so A2 card, and with that long strip I did stencil. So I believe I used some Catherine Puller ink. So I will link what I use down below. And so this stencil is, I really like this one. It's called the Circle Quilt from A Colorful Life Designs. And so I just laid it on my strip and then ink blended it. And then these other dies are from Spellbinders, but I did use the circle. And so I cut out some pattern paper, probably like 4 times, so that I could use the same prints on my cards today. So that is my first card, and this is also pattern paper, which I like that it looks, you know, natural. So, and then here is, I think this was the second card I made. So I really like this card, and I was thinking we would make this card together. So I did use the strip, and this is from the same paper pack, and it's from Michael's. And so that's why I was saying I really love the strip. And then I used a banner for the sentiment, which says "to someone special." And then here I used the square here, and you can use acetate, but I have some pockets and they were given to me. I think they're from Target a long time ago. I'm not sure if they still have them, but I just glued it. It had sticky, like a sticky back, so I just taped it to my card, and then I added this square, and then I just put a tiny bit of double-sided tape here because I don't want my recipient to have a hard time getting out the twine and the sequins that I put in here. I have some little bags here from Jaded Blossom. When I was on the team, I had a bunch of bags, and so I think they're used for candy, but I cut it and I was able to just stick some sequins in there and then use some tape to cut it and secure it. So, and these flowers I have here in my stash, and here's another strip. Okay, so, and I just ink blended the blue that I used on my other card because it was on my desk, and so I thought that was really pretty for this card here, and also fun happy mail, I would say. So that is card number 2. Here is card number 3. So again, I used that square, which I love, and I ink blended some butterflies. This one is Butterfly Flight, and I used blue, red, and orange ink from Catherine Puller. I did use a big banner here. It's, I believe, the biggest one on this die, so it has to be this one. And so I cut out pattern paper and white cardstock so that I could do this, do my banner, my sentiments. So that is card, and this is 4x4, I believe. So card number 3, and then I decided I'm going to make a tag. And so isn't this pretty? So I used the circle this time. I did use the long one, and I cut it, and this tag I made from a paper punch. So if you have paper punches, it's always fun. Like I used the butterfly, and I just ink blended it a little bit blue and added some sequins. I did have some butterfly ribbon, and so I thought that was really cute in sequins. So I was able to make four projects here, and I still have so many pieces. Let me show you. So I still have all these pieces left over, and so isn't that great? And I'd probably make more if I wasn't too tired right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and make this card with you, and then I have a surprise at the end. So okay, so first I am laying down my strip, and I love these strips, and it's so much fun just putting all these pieces together. So I bet it'd be even more fun if I die cut more pattern paper. So here's the pocket, and it has adhesive in the back, which I love. And so I'm just going to add it, and I'm sure you can make your own pocket if you can't find something like this. But I am just attaching it on, and then I will use the brown pattern paper that I went and die cut. And so I think it's perfect, and I'm going to use my liquid glue. At first it's not dry, so but it does dry perfectly later and lays flat. It would have been nice if I had my large stamping block, but that's okay. So next I am going to put this twine in there. It's from Ellen Hudson when I used to order, so you probably have some of those too, and they were so kind to send twine with your order, and so it's perfect for Happy Mail. And here is that bag that I'm going to add some sequins in there, and these ones are from Colorful Life Designs, and if I can find the color I will link it down below. It's really pretty, this orange. So I'm just putting some in there, and then I decided to add some more, and then I will use some double-sided tape. I thought I had used my tape runner, but actually I used a double-sided tape, so I'm just going to rip a piece off this roll here and secure it. So you can easily put a picture or anything in a pocket. Really fun. You can make even a mini card. It's always fun when you have something like that to receive. And then I did put some tape on my first card, but I'm not going to put any on this card. And these flowers are from Dollar Tree. I believe I got them a long time ago, and they have a foam tape in back of them, but I do add some liquid glue as well. You can also add leaves, you can add a butterfly, so anything that you want to use from your stash is always fun. I think I actually have some butterflies too, but these were nearby, and so I grabbed these. And I'm going to ink blend with some orange ink here. I did use blue for my first card, so I thought it would be nice to use orange. And next I'm going to stamp my sentiment on this banner piece. So that's why I love all these banners, because you can just stamp a sentiment and it's already stitched and die cut. And I'm just gonna add my card to my craft A2 card base, and then I will add my sentiment. So you see how easy this card was. I had so much fun, and I'll probably make more of these. I know it's not a flat card, but I don't feel like it'll be that much more in postage. And I was trying to decide where to put it, and I liked it there on the bottom. And I will share both my cards. I love how they all came out as well. So much fun. And I definitely will have to play with that die some more. So thank you, Lynn. And if you stayed around, here is a stamp set that I am giving away. US only. I'm so sorry because of shipping. And this is Orchid Bouquet from Simon Says Stamp, and it's 6x8. And so leave me a comment which card you like best, and also be subscribed to my channel and give me a like. So here are all my cards, and you have 1 week to enter the giveaway, and I will announce the winner random.org. So good luck, and thank you for joining me today. Bye.